you. And yung isang hawak ni Bea na bag. What will you say, Athena? Thank you po. Okay, next. Oh, ito po.
Open.
Yan. Give mo ni Ninang. Oh. Tapos ay yung gift. Ano kasi tawag videographer. At open na gift ay yung gift list na earrings na suot ni Athena. Of course. Oh, what will you say to Mamika? Thank you. Oh, open na. Banas. Okay lang. Gift mo na kanina. Happy first birthday, Athena Love, Ate Scarlett. Kaya nga kami. Wow! Athena, oh. What do you say? Thank you. Wow! Happy first birthday, Love Kambal. Thank you for coming, Kambal. Athena, look! Oh, wow! What did you say? Oh, this is for Athena. You have yours, anak mo, sa playpen. Ano pa mo? Ano nga pala sila?
Wow.
Hindi rin naman makataste. Nalulong rin naman ako. Wow! Wow! Yay! Okay.
Open your gift.
What did you say? Wow!
Look at the camera and say thank you.
Wow! Thank you. What did you say? Thank you po. Thank you po. Wow! Thank you po. Okay, next. This is from
Mermaid, bigla lang.
Hindi nyo ito nasilip kagabi kasi naka-tape. Sayang ang paper bag. Okay, wow! Hindi na ako nag-start. Wow!
Wow.
Oh, this is for Athena, anak. It's her
Baro?
birthday.
Baro?
Wow, thank you.
Oh, see ya. Okay.
Okay,
Are you
next.
happy? Happy?
Anita. Ano ka din? What did you say? Thank you.
What did you say, Athena?
Thank you. Oh, this one from Rizel. Thank you. Tinanong ko. Wow. Wow.
Wow.
Wow, cute. Ate na, dami naman po. Oh, series. Thank you. What did you say? Thank you. Happy birthday to you po pala ito. Ay, this is for you. This is your gift. Eh. What will you say muna? Katunin ng IB? Hey, look, oh. Wow. Wow, ganda t-shirt, Teo, oh. Ganda, anak. And this one more, anak. This is for you, anak, oh. Wow. Ganda, Teo. What will you say? Look, oh. So pretty. Thank you. There's one more inside. Oh, get it. Wow. Thank you. What will you say? Thank you. Okay, next. This one is from Ninang, from Ballesteros family. Ninang Melody, Ninang Ash. Come here. Let's go. Oh, open the gift. Open the gift. Let's say, open.
Open. Open.
Wow. Wow. Athena, what's that? What did you say? Thank you. Wala pang battery, anak. Ayan. Yan, na pala. Meron pala. Okay, next. This one is, I think, from Cherry. Ito pa, paper ba? Ganito kay Cherry.
Athena's gift. Yes.
Wow! So cute! Thank you, Cherry. Thank you po. Okay, next po.
Wow.
This one is from Ninong Gilbert. Thank you po. Wow! Tina, oh, no. So sweet. Thank you po. Another one.
Summer.
Thank you so much. Wow! Dress! Ito, dress. Thank you, Ninang Madam Dada. Ayan. From Ate Dayan. Diana family. Thank you. Ate na, look. Oh, Ate na.
Tina.
Atina, Atina, look! Atina! Atina, Atina! Look! Wow!
Wow.
Atina, oh! Thank you!
Mas dalawa.
Okay natin, anak. Ito na property.
Tina, look. Wow. Well,
Let's go! It's for baby Athena. Thank you po sa lahat ng nagbigay ng gifts at sa mga pumunta. And of course, sa mga nagasikaso. Thank you so much. Bye!
bye, guys. Bye.
Bye muna kayo sa vlog.
Tina, say bye.
Thank you, everyone.
Bye, vlog. Tina, say bye.
Okay, thank you rin nga po pala sa mga nagbigay ng cash kay Athena at saka po mga cards. Ito galing kay Ate Fred, hindi ko na-open. Ay, bye!
Bye, Tina. Bye.
Bye!
Bye. Kiss mommy, kiss mommy.